One of the first things that we have to do when addressing shoulder pain is see how well does our shoulder rotate. Okay, so this is a really easy exercise for you to do. Okay, you can just kneel, or you can go on one leg, or you can stand, or anything else. All I want you to do is put your hands out to the side like this, and just try and tense your arms. And make it so you can see that I'm trying to tense the muscle here. Why we do that is if the muscles are tense, the muscles can't then contribute to what we're doing, okay, because they're taken out of action. The only part that you can rotate is actually at the tendons and ligaments where the joints meet. So have your hands out here like this, right, and really slowly I want you to rotate your hands back as far as you can, back this way, and then I want you to rotate your hands under internally rotation here, okay? So another little tip is to get your thumb up. So you can measure the angle by seeing how your thumb is going. So rotate back is how far can you get the thumb pointing to the ground? And then here is how far can you get the thumb pointing to the back wall with this. So I want you to spend 2 minutes doing this, okay? Nice and freely, not too quickly, okay? So nice and sort of like slowly moved, but with the tension on the arms, this gets quite hard, right? So feel free to play around a little bit, adjust where you want to do, if you're sitting in a chair or standing up or one leg or anything else, and just play around and get as much rotation as you can here and as much rotation as you can this way. Now I'm going to turn to the side. What we want to do is when we're achieving this rotation, we don't want to get most of the movement by our spine, okay? So lock the spine down and try and just move our arms this way. Similarly, we don't want to try and dump forward up the spine this way. So keep this locked down and try and just rotate this joint here on its axis. Okay, it's a shoulder rotations, okay, and it's a really good exercise to give you some freedom of movement in your shoulders.